Dug in his heels. Support coming in from the US. In fact, the left has criticized the US ambassador's statement.
I don't think that if FDI were increased here by whatever amount, 51% or whatever it is, I don't think that we would see a difference with regard to those small kiranas.
The US ambassador to India, seemingly unmindful of the uproar caused by the proposal he endorses, leaving the left wondering who really is in charge.
It is not for American diplomats to suggest what India should do or should not do. This is what we have been saying, why our policies must be influenced by American diplomats or American administration.
America's enthusiasm underlining the opposition's basic concerns. The debate is heating up.
It would have been appropriate for the American ambassador not to speak on this issue in the manner he has gone public.
Disregards parliamentary convention by announcing a major policy when parliament is in session. That is just not done, not just in our country but in any country with a parliamentary system.
I don't think it is possible easily to roll back except the Congress intervention. But there are
Congress intervention is in Sonia Gandhi's intervention.
Well, you may interpret it that way. The point is there are three issues involved. One is the policy of the FDI itself.
Yes.
The second is the completely non-diplomatic intervention by the American ambassador in India. And again, let me tell you, this is not the first time. During Enron debate, also American ambassador had completely intervened. And American ambassadors or American diplomats are in the habit of actually interfering with India's not only foreign policy issues, but even domestic policy issues.
And irrespective of the voices of dissent,
I think this decision is going to hamper that interest of the party.
Small, petty, ordinary businessmen are very much apprehensive.
the Prime Minister has dug his heels in. America's vote of confidence to FDI in retail doing precious little to tilt the debate in the government's favour. Bureau Report, Times Now.